To add the VAT number to an invoice in Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Open Xero and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Business Settings. From the Xero dashboard, click on Settings in the top menu, then select Taxes under the Financial Settings section. Enter VAT number. In the tax settings page, under the VAT or GST settings, you will see an option to enter your VAT number. Input your VAT number and click Save. Create an invoice. Go to Business, Invoices and click on New Invoice to create a new sales invoice. Include VAT number on the invoice. On the invoice creation page, Xero will automatically display your VAT number if you've set it up in the tax settings. The VAT number will appear in the footer of the invoice. Customizing the invoice. If you want to customize the layout or change how the VAT number appears, go to Settings, Invoice Settings and adjust the invoice template. Save and send. Once the VAT number appears correctly, finalize your invoice and click Approve to send it to the customer.